now it is officially confirmed that Samido mwena wa USA thutha wa gukorwo arekereirie statement kugerera manager wake ati he will be taking a break mweri wothe wa June ndegukorwo agiperform mugithi na he shall be resuming on the first week of July. Na mafans maratigo makiuria muno gitumi giake gukorwo agithie on a break, no riu ni marikiete gukorwo makimenya gitumi ni tondu mwena wa USA most probably agithiete kuona family yake and his wife Eddie Nderitu. Na mafans hena undu makenereire muno, hena undu marikiete kuona on Eddie Nderitu's page. She shared a post kundu marari mena Samido, na mafans maikiuga ni makena muno ni kuona how she welcomed Samido back in USA. No mbere yo tukirora ndeto ĩngĩ ikenereirwo muno ni mashabiki na mafans, some other huge and amazing news. Thutha wa Mushi wa Kenyari gukorwo off air for quite some time, wa Mushi wa Kenyari uria wakire ceceni-ini ya Kameme FM, but she left. Undu watigire mashabiki na mafans ake maihurwo ni kia na magikara muno metereire kumuona agicokereria radio-ini. Na yesterday she confirmed and revealed some very huge news to her fans that she is back on radio. Ona ginya kiubura ni ceceni iriku riu arikoragwo. Wa Mushi wa Kenyari taking to her social media page wa mbere agicokeria Ngai ngatho for making things right and beautiful for her at this time. Nebulete ati she is now officially at Kigosho FM from every Monday to Friday at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. no rikoragwo mitambo-ini ya Kigosho akireha kiugo kia Ngai. Ndumiriri na ndeto ikenerirwo muno ni mafans ake, ona ginya fellow Kikuyu celebrities othe makimcongratulate na we to congratulate her on her brand new role at Kigosho FM. And now on to Eddie and Samido. Bani Saroni no rakorwo akiumbũrĩra mafans ati Samido mwena wa USA. They had no idea, but Bani Saroni through this post she revealed to her fans tondu ginya arakorwo agitag location me Massachusetts mena Samido. Na shortly afterwards Eddie arakorwo akirekereria mbica ira mafans maringithanitie na ino ya Bani Saroni tondu the background is the same without a doubt. Eddie haria arugamite na Bani Saroni na Samido haria marugamite, it is one and the same place. Na mafans maikena muno ni kumenya Samido aramukiriro kura USA ni mutumia wake Eddie Nderitu in the company of Bani Saroni. Na riu magikiendithiria Samido and his wife and their family a wonderful time together. Lady Samido ari mwena wa USA, a second time now visiting them.